So you want to sell ebooks online, but should you sell them on your own site or on Amazon? What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to talk about selling ebooks. Guys, this to me is one of the best ways to make money online, even to start making money online. Actually, this was probably the second way that I've ever made money online. Back in 2008, I put out my first ebook, and seeing that first sale come in was like incredible. It was only a $9.99 ebook, but creating it, this is before Amazon, this is before Facebook, this is before all of that stuff. All you could do is pretty much sell it on, your own, create your own website, right? So selling ebooks is, like I said, the second way I've ever made money online. The first way was affiliate marketing, right? But I've always had like this thing with ebooks. I love to create them. I love to sell them, right? But now, it's highly recommended to put your books, on, turn them into Kindle books and sell them on Amazon, right? But what is better? What should you do, right? And here's my take on it. If you decide to sell on Amazon, most likely your profit margins are going to be lower, right? You can't sell it. You're not going to walk away with as much money per sale as you would if you was doing it on your own. Okay. So keep that in mind, right? And there's more, competition on Amazon, right? So it's not like, if you have your own website, obviously if someone's on it, the only content, the only stuff for sale is stuff that you own, right? So when I look at it like, what should you sell it on? I look at it as, what kind of following do you have, or are you hoping to have? If you have a very small following or something like that, I would recommend using Amazon, because if you optimize your book page, your sales page on Amazon, you can get sales from people that just are on Amazon, who's just searching for books. If you do the proper, research and everything, right? And you can get some sales. Keep in mind, if you're selling a book, say for $5 on Amazon, you probably get like three something per sale. If you're selling a book on your own website for, say, $5, you're gonna get, like, if you use the PayPal, like $4.95 per sale, right? So you kind of get, it's a big difference, but you got to ask yourself, um, you know, how much money you trying to make up front and what kind of following you have. Now, what I'm saying is, if say you have a YouTube channel or you're big on Facebook or Instagram and you already got followers, and you already kind of got people watching you, whatever, you have access to people, then in my opinion you don't need Amazon. You really truly don't. Then that way you can create a book for $4. That's not $4. Say $9.99, like I did back in the day. So it's $10. So if you already have a following, you already have a platform, your own platform, you don't really need Amazon, right? I would sell it on your website first. Get that $9.99. You're literally getting the whole $10 if you can do it on yourself, because you don't need Amazon, because you could just promote your sales page on Instagram. You could promote it on your YouTube channel. You can, whatever, Twitter, whatever you're using, Now, I would start there, and you can still put it on Amazon as well. Get it created like in a Kindle format and put it on Amazon as well. And that just brings in extra money. Obviously, you're going to get that little, you're not going to get the whole $10 on Amazon, but you still get a little cut, right? So that's my take on it. Guys, if you're in doubt of creating your own book, if you want to, and you just kind of don't know where to start, I always recommend K Money Mastery. All right, this is a program that showed me how to make money from Kindle books. All right, it's all about, Kindle and Amazon, but you can actually use, some of the principles in there if you just want to create your own ebook. It doesn't show you how to build your own website or nothing like that, but it shows you the fundamentals of selling an ebook. You know what I mean? So it's a great place to start if you really want to focus on selling books on Amazon. You definitely want to check out K Money Mastery. Link in the description of this video. Highly recommend it. But on the other end too, like I said, don't, feel like you can't, create your own ebook on your own platform if you have a following. All right. So that's my take on it. Hopefully this video helped you out. Be sure to comment, share, and subscribe to this channel because you see I'm always dropping that content. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.